the year 2015 with nearly 25 institutions, educational institutions. See, the society has a clear social purpose to contribute to a just, equitable, sustainable educational opportunities, especially socially, educationally, economically backward people in the rural areas as well as urban areas among the communities in the state of Telangana. So in the year 2017-18, the society has started 119 more schools for the BC students with intake of 240 students with two sections for 5th, 6th and 7th. And also in the year 2019-20, more 119 schools are opened with the same number of students and classes. The schools having good faculty members and accommodation, furniture and all other facilities. The society has introduced digital classrooms in the year 2018-19. Every year society is conducting district and state level and inter-society sports and games competitions, science fair, cultural carnival for the all-round development of the students. Hence, I humbly say that if the students utilize all these opportunities provided by the society, they will have a bright future. Thank you.
Good morning. Welcome to our school Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Telangana Backward Classes Educational Institutions. Our school known as Peddapur School is located in Gudappad, Atmakur Mandal, Warangal Rural District. Our school is surrounded by greenery which helps us to stay away from pollution and be healthy. Our day starts at 5 a.m. with a wake-up call. We have yoga and exercises and then we have kit inspection. At 7 a.m. we gather in the dining hall for milk and at 7:30 we assemble for the morning assembly.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please welcome to assembly, sir. Good morning, sir. Today school total present 392, absent 7, sick point total 399.
My brothers and sisters, I love my country, and I am proud of history and merit heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, alone life.
Our instructional hours begins at 7:40 a.m. to 8:95 a.m. and then the bell rings for breakfast. After breakfast, our instructional hours continue till 1:30 in the afternoon. Then a long bell rings for lunch. At 2:30 noon, our day study hour starts. It ends at 4:30 in the evening. At 4:30, we take snacks and go to ground and play games. Then we get refreshed after games and get ready for our dinner. And after dinner, we sit in our classes for our night study hour from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Our day ends at 9 p.m. when we all go to our dormitories. During the day, if we have any health issues, we are taken care by our health supervisor and proper health precautions are given from time to time by our madam. A group of doctors also visit our school every month. We have library classes where we get an opportunity to explore new books like autobiographies, biographies, novels, short stories, etc. and gain knowledge. The importance of art and craft in early education is well known. Be it coloring with crayons, folding papers expertly to make origami shapes or preparing a handmade birthday card, etc. only enhance our interest and skill. Art and craft develops the fine motor skills, increases dexterity and ability in us, improves hand-eye coordination, encourages self-experience, self-help socializing and boosts self-esteem. It also helps in decision making, problem solving and self-evaluation. In our school, we long for our art and craft classes. Our teacher makes us to do different craft items. We work with papers, wool, waste material, chart papers, colors and we use our ideas creatively. Science fair is an opportunity for students to apply the scientific method to conduct independent research. The main purpose of the science fair is to encourage the students to take a more active interest in the study of science and conduct and present their independent scientific inquiries and invocations publicly. Every year, our society conducts science fair to motivate the child to express his or her ideas creatively. We develop a scientific spirit and curiosity which in turn forces us to think and creatively find solutions to the challenges. We enjoy learning through such exhibitions and feel a sense of belongingness as we make the models with our own hands.
Reciprocation. This method is employed when the availability of water is poor. As the water reaches to the plant drop by drop, it is called drip irrigation. It consists of long tubes followed by the small tubes. It is attached to the motor. Holes are made in the tubes so that water comes out from the holes. Water to drip slowly to the different types of roots or either onto the roots. This drip irrigation is cheap and effective. The advantages of this project are early maturity, increasing of yields, fertile saving, labor saving. Thank you, sir.
Now I am going to explain about electric circuit. For this we need some materials like battery, conductive wires, LED bulb and switch. In this battery some different types of chemicals are present. When we close the circuit, here the chemical energy is converted as electrical energy. And bulb was glow. Like this we identify with different types of materials like milk, water, ghee, scissor, rubber, some vegetables, fruits and spoon, lids. Now we test with one potato. We take one potato and when we close the circuit, the bulb was glowing because it is a good conductor of electricity.
Sports are very important in our life. It gives a student a chance to enhance the physical and the social skills. Sports and games not only make a body physically fit and active but also teach us punctuality, responsibility, patience, discipline and dedication towards our goal. So the children who excel in district are motivated to participate in state and national level. Our school also conducts cultural activities. The aims of cultural programs is to give all students the opportunity to be involved in cultural enriching activities. To give those students with special talent a chance to extend themselves and to grow in their area of expertise. Co-curriculum activities are the components of non-academic curriculum. In our school, it helps to develop various parts of the personality, development of the child and students. For all-round development of the child, there is a need of emotional, physical, spiritual and moral development that is complemented and supplemented by co-curriculum activities. Co-curriculum activities like sports, debate, drama, art and craft, folk songs, preparations of chart and models, organizing exhibition and celebrating festivals are part of our school. These activities are the true and particular experience received by all of us. Amenities provided by our MJP TBC WREIS society to all the children. Every student is provided free boarding and lodging facility. A pair of uniform and tracksuit is provided every year. Every student is provided one bed sheet and one carpet. Free textbooks and notebooks for each girl every year. Cosmetic charges are being distributed every month. 2 pairs of shoes, one black and one canvas white, socks, tie belt, a school bag, carpets, one bed sheet, one blanket to every student every year. Our school gives us delicious food with planned menu every day. In the morning, we have milk with boost or ragi java with jaggery. In breakfast, we have pulihora, khichdi, puri, idli, rice pongali, semia. In the lunch, we are provided with rice, curry, sambar, curd, tomato rasam, ghee, egg. In curries, we eat potato, tomato, bottle gourd, rich gourd and bitter gourd. On second and fourth week, we have chicken in the menu, and on first and third week we are given mutton along with seasonal fruits. In the evening snacks, we are given semia, sprouts, carrot halwa, millet cookies, onion pakoda and palli chikki.
Here this magnet, two ring magnets. So these all are these two ring magnets. Here show one for. So here I am changing pole. Now you observe. What is happening? A team of courage and heart. Every member holds a critical part. Every member holds a critical part. No matter what. No matter what. We shall never quit. We shall never quit.
किसी भी वस्तु व्यक्ति द्वारा किया जाने वाला काम के बारे में बताने वाले शब्द को क्या कहते हैं? क्रिया विशेषण। क्रिया कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट, इस क्रिया की विशेषता को बतलाने वाले को क्रिया विशेषण। काम को बताने वाले शब्द को क्रिया कहते हैं।
If we hold any object in such a manner that divided two parts are identically coincide with each other, so that figure has symmetry. So the dividing part, the dividing line is known as line of symmetry, and which is a completely imaginary line.
Okay, first of all, what you do, take a circle, take a piece of paper and cut a circle with your bangle which you have, or otherwise you can use the compass to cut the circle. Okay, after cutting the circle, what you do, you have to fold it into first fold, second fold, and after this what you do?
It is the indicator of the country's income. Why we are saying that it is the indicator of the country's income? Because of it is include the primary sector and secondary sector and tertiary sector.
समूह में कड़की
समूह में कड़की
समूह में कड़की।
Today we are going to learn about Indian boundaries. Okay, India is our country. We know Arabian Sea and Persian Sea. Pakistan, Afghanistan is the northwest boundary. Northwest boundary is Pakistan.
Aristotle once said, "Those who educate children well are more to be honored than they who produce them, for this only gave them life, those the art of living well." I am happy to say that our teachers are very caring and friendly towards us. They always encourage us to develop our skills by creating a positive atmosphere in learning. They clarify our doubts and give good help and support throughout our learning activity.
Our school has a different perspective. We, the teachers of this school, have two different roles to play. One as a teacher and the other as a loco parent. When it comes to teaching, we involve the students in all the activities to develop their skills. We make the children learn in a creative way, like engaging them in activities like skits, conversations, debates, discussions, etc. And when it comes to loco parent, these children are away from the away from their parents, and when they are away, obviously they feel very homesick. To get rid of this sickness, we make a friendly atmosphere in the school, so that they get rid of the sickness, and also they make a very friendly rapport with the teachers. And when there is a friendly atmosphere in the school, obviously the child learns better. So our focus in our school is to improve the skills of the students and try to engage them in all the activities. So this really will help the students learn better and also excel well in their studies.
Hello, my name is Chandana. I'm in 5th standard. When I joined the school, everything was very new to me. But gradually, I was able to make friends. I like DJ classes. I participate in all the school activities. I'm proud to be a MJP girl.
Myself Akshita, I am studying in 6th standard. I like my school because my school gives me many opportunities to develop my schools. All the teachers in our school encourage and they guide us in a right path. Thank you.
Miss Varshini, I am in 7th standard. Our school teaches us good manners and discipline. We celebrate many events like Sports Day, Science Fair, Children's Day, Republic Day, Independence Day, Library Week in our school. I love my teachers and my friends. I like to continue my studies in MJP.
My name is Mokshita. I am in 8th standard. I like my school very much. It's just like home to us. We take part in all kinds of school activities like singing, dancing, quiz competitions and writing competitions. Our teachers are the best teachers to guide us and to encourage us in all time. Our principals are also motivate us to excel our work. Thank you.
I am studying in 9th standard. As it is rightly said that education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. Our school shapes us as responsible future citizens. I am proud of myself that I am studying in one of the best schools in Telangana state. I aspire to carry the values imbibed by my school to do well in my life and make my school proud of me.
Girls and we learn to lead.